Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone microphone not working on iPhone 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: cancel and turn off audio cancel cancellation on iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility. Scroll up, tap on audio visual toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check your iPhone update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings, and your Apple Pay, cards, keys, and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is remove your iPhone case and check back, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix microphone not working on iPhone 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.